Good morning, everybody. We're back in Idaho for breakfast because apparently there's no breakfast that we want in Oregon. So we're back in Idaho. It's 8:46 our time. We haven't crossed the time zone yet, so it's still 9:46 wherever we are here in Idaho. Today's basically the power move to get home. That's proven to be a little bit difficult because it's super foggy here. So it means that we're probably not going to be able to fly through the... Oh, look, onions.
Wow.
So many. So it means that we're probably not going to be able to fly through our day as much as we want to. But we'll make it happen. Today's the day to get home. Because there's nothing to see basically from here until we get home. We've seen it all. We've done this loop. It's close to home. So we've done it, we've seen it, and nothing to stop at. And we're stopping for Jack in the Box for breakfast because that's what we get when we're here. So, bye. Alright, so since we missed it yesterday, or last night, because it was dark, here we go. And woo, back in Oregon. So we're just coming up on, oh, where the hell are we? Oh, look at that. There we go. Blue Mountain Summit, elevation 4,193. And it looks like there's fire. I think they're just doing controlled burns.
Yeah, it looks like a controlled burn.
Yeah. It's still crazy.
Kids.
Here, but this is the rest area view that we were supposed to get from when we came up here. But last time it was all smoky. This is Pendleton Rest Area, I think they call it. Once I figure it out, there'll be a little box at the bottom that tells exactly where this is.
This is the hill by Dead Man's Pass. We're heading down into the Valley of Oregon to head to the Washington border to then get lunch. And then it's back to me driving again. Just like that, crossing the Colorado River again.
Columbia.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Crossing the Columbia River again. This was one of our first crossings on the way down, and it's our last state crossing going back. So now, once we cross over, there's the sign. We are back in Washington. Woo! Hi friends. So it's 9:55 p.m. And we just crossed back into COVID Canada, apparently. Gross. He just crossed back into Canada. He does not have COVID. Just dying from lack of, I think, liquids.
Yeah.
Because we've just been like, go, 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 go.
Find food. I'm so hungry.
Same. But I also didn't want to pay for American prices, really. And I also just wanted to get home. So, thus ends our trip. We are just like 25-30 minutes maybe from home, and then we got to go pick up our son. And yeah, that's the end of the trip. Thanks for coming along with us. Do you have anything else to add?
No, I know we missed. You can't really see me. Turn this off and turn me on. I know we missed a lot of video coming back, but I didn't get too much because there really wasn't too much to see that you already didn't see. We came through a bunch of fog earlier on the day, and that lasted for a little while, and then it was sunny for a little while through Ellensburg, and I guess up until we got up into the bottom of Snoqualmie Pass.
Yeah.
And then I guess it started to rain. I had a nap through all that because I needed a break from before driving all night tonight. And then apparently it was torrential downpour, and Leslie was scared, and had she not have slowed down, we would have just been
Yep.
off the road or something.
Yeah. That's the thing.
So, yeah, I don't really know what else to add to that. It's been a pretty good trip. We got to see quite a bit. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, besides not having the concert, I think I had a pretty good time. I was a little bit in shock that I was back in Vegas again. Made me pretty happy either way, so...
Who knows? Maybe I'll get to convince this one to go for a 4th time. If we do, though, we're flying. We're not driving. I am not spending 8 days to go to Vegas again. It's just not happening. But that's it for now. Thanks for coming along, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye!
Bye! And there will be next ones because there'll be off-roads until it snows. Bye!